Gorgeous day this morning after all the run we had. So we're gonna start putting the Hardy Flex inside the room there. As for me, I need to go in town to buy some gas. We're out of gas this morning. Just a quick ride to buy some hose and fitting for the sink and the gas bottle. Back home. Okay, I got everything now to connect this to this. I'm gonna put a top. Let's do that. Okay, there's one on position there already. Okay, this is ready for running water now. Let's do underneath now. Oh, hello! You miss me! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? You wanna play with me? You wanna help me? This is for the bathroom. Okay, we put some different bracket after, better one. For now, this is gonna hold on position. But once the pressure kick in, I need a much better bracket than that. This cat is really watching what I'm doing. Huh? Are you? Okay. Okay, it's good, not bad. Just put some proper bracket. Lunchtime. Bella love fish.
She only eat fish.
Mommy too? Mommy love daddy? Okay guys, let's eat. Already starts beautiful. Those vegetables are very, very tasty. Love it. Yeah, I usually don't eat rice, but I haven't got much bread left for my breakfast, so and I'm okay at the moment. This is not the clip from the last video, this is now. That's too much water. We need to finish this thing in the front one. Yeah, not much we can do outside. Hey, baby. She loves cartoon. She learned a lot from cartoon. Hey, baby. Okay, we have here a problem. It's been raining very strongly, as you could see before, and with a strong wind. Bring all the water here and goes into the room. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop building the room and doing this, doing the wall here, top wall and a wall railings sort of. So they will have a little bit of an opening which will have curtains, so the water won't come here. And then of course we need to get rid of this step there all around. I'm not sure why they make this before, but this is containing the water here. Anyway, so we're gonna do that. What Joe's making? Oh, pancake. This is going to be the merienda. Okay. And with a toothpick. Wow. Very good.
What toothpick?
Excellent. Okay. Okay, I'm supposed to do the connection here, down there, and under the house, and get running water to jam. But it's been raining a lot, and now it's still sprinkle, and I'm not well, so I don't want to get wet. I have to leave it for now. Tomorrow, hopefully.
It's okay.
And then we'll put a seal under the metal stud, just to make sure the water doesn't run through here. At least the one will fall on the concrete, right? More bad weather coming. Merienda coming. Very nice merienda. Special for Gong Gong. Pancake. What's inside? Avocado and spread and avocado. Okay, sorry. I can't hear well anymore. Where's the little pirate? Oh, first time I see you with no nappies. You look so good, baby. Oh, I can see your little bum. So cute. My girl. She likes Gong Gong. No, that's Daddy's pen actually. Yeah, she throw everything. Very nice. She throw it, she will throw. She gonna get it? No, baby. Baby. No, my love. Still drizzling. And we got enough water, I think. Anyway, Gong Gong doing well there.
It's still
Good. Tomorrow I need to buy more corrugated iron. Then we'll do the same thing on the top there, so we leave a little window there all along. We get some curtain, and a bamboo curtain if rain is, you know, pushed towards the inside, we can close the curtain. So it's good to leave a bit open, because if we got a party here, it can get hot. So anyway, that's how we plan. And there will be a door here. So if it doesn't run tomorrow, I'll see if I can connect that through there under the house, how we can get running water in the house. But all depend on the weather. And I need to do some digging as well. Gonna have to get Gongon to do that. My back's not strong enough. Okay, that's it for today. So don't go away, there's more tomorrow. Good morning. So much water in the last few days, crazy. Anyway, still a lot to do. Still working on the wall here. So I will need to go and buy some corrugated iron and some seals to seal all this area so the water doesn't go in. And I hope it won't rain anymore. Sick of it. Of course all tanks are full. Okay, let's get into it. You can see it's all super wet. It's been raining so much. I hope it'll stop now. Yeah, let's get some money first. Yes, I'm a City Hardware again. My favorite store. Let's go buy the corrugated iron now. And some bread. Okay, last stop. Okay, I arrived. Okay, this side of the wall is, the frame's finished, completed, yeah. We're doing this one now. After that we continue putting corrugated iron all the way, but there will be an opening here all along. See here, all along, till the door here. My wife's hungry.
Joe.
Okay, lunchtime. Smell nice. Come on, go, let's eat. Okay, we got some curry, vegetable, sinigang, yeah? You cook that, mommy? You cook that, yeah? Okay.
Joe.
Baby, you're gonna have some sinigang. Is that how you say?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. I'm very bad. Okay, let's eat. More orders. Wow. That's a good business. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at something to cut it, but you said you had one, a hot wire, but Not really working, huh? Okay, that's okay. Bella's gone for a nap. Okay, almost ready to receive the corrugated iron here. That's pretty good. That's what I like to see. Gonna look for some timber edge for the top and bottom wall up there. I'll just show you. I grab one and I will show you what I mean. This is gonna be empty soon. It's the kind of timber I'm looking for. See if I can find 4 relatively straight. Let's do that. Every time I talk, you make noise.
There is a restaurant.
Here's the timber coming. Careful, my love.
Careful, my
Careful,
plants.
turn here. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.